Hi and welcome to the YouTube channel The Edge of the Forest. Today we are going to see the way I cut down a beautiful pine tree. We will go over the notch in the face cut and the angle to use, the back cut and where to place it. Let's watch this tree fall with only one problem. And stick around until the end to see the easiest way to clean up. Let's get into it. If you like chainsaw videos, then hit that like and subscribe button and click that bell to be updated on new videos. First thing you need to do is take a look at the work area. Do you see any hazards? A natural lean on the tree? Anything stopping the tree from falling? Anything blocking your escape route? Wind or dead wood? Reduce tripping hazards by cutting any low brush around the cutting site. Take a walk around the entire area to assess everything. In my case, I have a larger tree with branches overhanging the space where my tree is going to fall. I'm not going to remove the larger tree, so I will aim it at the tips of the branches for less resistance. An escape route should be at a 45-degree angle from the tree and kept clear, ready for use when the tree starts to fall. Keep watching to see the fall. I'm using the conventional notch. I'm making the cut on the same angle as where I want the tree to fall. There are sight lines on top of the chainsaw to use as a guide. After I have my angle of the fall of the tree, I start with the first cut at a 45-degree angle and cut 1/3 of the way through the tree. The second cut I make is a straight cut. I'm keeping the chainsaw level and cutting at the same depth as the first. Stop any time to adjust your saw. And there you have your notch. The back cut should be 1 to 2 inches above the straight cut of the notch. Here I've gone about 3 inches. The tree has a lean, so I got lucky this time. The back cut should go through the tree enough to leave a hinge or solid piece of wood between the notch and the back cut, where the tree can fall to the intended direction. Stop again if you need to. You can hear the sounds of the tree. I felt I had to give it a push because of the lean I had going. And here is where I ran into a problem of the overhanging branches. I knew pushing the tree probably wasn't going to bring it down, so I had to think of some other ways. Give it a wobble by climbing up the tree wasn't what I had in mind when I first started the chainsaw to cut down this tree. So this was a how-to video that turned into a tree fail video. I could have just cut the tree up into sections if I was using it for firewood, but I needed the width at the bottom of the tree for a terraced garden bed, which you can watch in another video. Eventually it came down in one piece and there wasn't too much damage to the big pine tree branches. Stick around and watch me trim another tree with some sweet music.